Yo, I'm Bhavishya, 17. I started a PowerPoint agency at the beginning of the pandemic, did told some marketing and got big name clients, couple of lakhs, and half of that was earned last month. Now that I have grabbed your attention by big figures, let us see how it all started. Oh, and also we should be talking about these. I started making YouTube videos back when I was 9 years old, from Photoshop tutorials,
right click, input fill, and here
and Flash tutorials, and then PowerPoint. I struck gold with PowerPoint coding to be exact, PowerPoint VBA. I create interactive modules and games within PowerPoint. I also sell templates on my website and create personalized slides for my clients. Hold on, a client is messaging. Just a show off. Anyways, how does it all happen? Step 1, open PowerPoint. Step 2, type some codes, hit your keyboard, move your mouse and shit. Step 3, PowerPoint ready, bro. But the most important step is step 4, selling your PowerPoint. And that is the main problem, right? How do you sell a PowerPoint? How will you convince people to buy a PowerPoint slide? How will you convince them that a PowerPoint slide is necessary when they have Google Slides, when they have keynotes, when they have videos? Why will anyone buy PowerPoint? How do you convince them? I'm not a great programmer of any sort, right? The Dunning-Kruger curve, or how is it pronounced? Dunning-Kruger?
Believing you know something you don't is called the Dunning-Kruger effect. It's neat.
The Dunning-Kruger effect. See, I'm not a great programmer of any sort. Like, the Dunning-Kruger effect has completely demolished all the confidence which I have. Okay, it has shattered it fully. But what I do know a little bit, and what I excel in, pun not intended, what I excel in is marketing, promoting, and selling. My entire business model is based on value given and not profit earning. I came in this sector to provide free resources and not to earn profit. The common folk hate business people. It has such a bad connotation to it. That is why we rebranded ourselves as entrepreneurs, because that is trendy. I provide a lot of free templates for free. I showcase my original code snippets and I teach them how to do it step by step for free. People try to recreate it. They are so happy that they could make the working version. They might have never coded in their entire life, but now they did. They saw the 5-6 line of code which I showcased in my video. They recreated it, they copied it, they pasted it, they typed it. And that is not a 10-part course, it's just a 10-minute video. And when they do immediate action and they see immediate result, the fruits of their action come immediately in front of their eyes, that is when I capture them, right? Immediate learning, immediate execution. When I provide free content on YouTube, I do not say PowerPoint game, come learn and download. I say PowerPoint game for teachers to play on Zoom call. I find my market and log on to my audience. I then target geographically tier 1 countries, America and Europe, Australia, by saying make insert American game show title in PowerPoint, make Who Wants to Be a Millionaire in PowerPoint, make Jeopardy in PowerPoint, make Deal or No Deal in PowerPoint. Now my chosen target audience has disposable income. They have received free modules, they have been in my shoes, they have experienced the value of my work, the worth of my work, and the effort which I would be required to code more insane features. And meanwhile, after download the free templates, I also get their emails. Privacy policy. I also get their emails, I start talking to them, I create bonds and connections, a personal interaction with them. I am interested in their work, I'm interested in the subject which they teach, I want their input, I listen to them and implement that in my video. And as our email correspondence grows, I also send them more free templates which are not listed on my website. I tell them I made this for you based on your inputs and they like it. This shows customer satisfaction, like you're providing value to them. So yeah, and slowly all of this turns them into a recurring, loyal customer. To summarize, I do funneling. I provide free content on YouTube which is SEO enhanced. My websites are at number 1 in Google search ranking. My videos are at number 1. My videos are the snippets. And if my websites and videos are at number 1, more people click on it if they search for that topic. And if more people click, more advertisements are played in my video. If more advertisements are played, more revenue for me via Google AdSense. Then they come to my video and then they go to my website, because I tell them in the video, if you want to download this for free, if you want to take the codes for free, go to my website, right? And when they come to my web page to view the code or download free resources, I get their email. Then I start a correspondence with them. They see my services offered and the customizable game templates which I provide for them. And then a good percentage of the people who are on my website get converted into paying customers. And that can be recreated with any single skill set. You need to provide free value. You need to be in a platform where your work is being shown. That place is YouTube for me. I have almost 600,000 views based on the search terms which people are looking for. I see keywords which are in demand and make a video on them. If I see a certain video pop up, I make a part 2 of that. You should learn to provide value, make a portfolio, have a social presence, and do good branding. That is essential if you want to start selling online. And that can be accomplished by any skill set. I do PowerPoint coding. So take your skill set and replace that in my business module. So at the end of the day, the adrenaline of doing all of this is just amazing. There's a huge open market filled with possibilities. And I will have to go into that because I'm pretty sure I'm going to flunk my academics. So if you want to get started, here are a few commercially viable skill sets which are going to be useful in future. Choose one, start Googling, see a paid course, copy the paid course curriculum, like module 1, we are going to teach you this in paid course, copy that, put it in Google, get it for free and learn it. So if you like my style of presentation, check out this video, link in my bio. It is a beautiful video, every line is a mic dropper. It's so worth it, go watch it. And I'm a storyteller by nature. If I was able to capture your attention throughout the video, let me know. Send me a message, DM me at basically Bhavish. I'll see you there. Peace. And also one last advice, you do not need millions of followers to sell a product. I just have a couple of thousands. How about you increase it? Okay.